Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily get started with mutual funds. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right mutual fund and how to set up your account step by step. Let's get started. What is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is a pool of money collected from many investors like you and me. A professional fund manager invests that money in stocks, bonds, or other assets. It's a way for your money to grow over time without having to worry about managing the investments yourself. Types of mutual funds. There are three main types of mutual funds. 1. Equity funds, high risk, high returns. These invest in company stocks. 2. Debt funds, lower risk, lower returns. These invest in government bonds or corporate debt. 3. Hybrid funds, a mix of both, offering moderate risk and moderate returns. How to choose a mutual fund. Here are 5 key points to remember when picking a mutual fund. 1. For short-term investments, 1 to 2 years, choose debt funds for lower risk. 2. For long-term investments, choose between lump sum or SIP, systematic investment plan. SIP is best for beginners. 3. Fund categories, large cap for lower risk, mid cap for moderate risk, small cap for high risk but potentially high returns. 4. Check the fund's past performance, at least 10 years, the expense ratio 1 to 3%, and any entry or exit fees. 5. Index funds are a low-cost option without a fund manager. They follow market indices like Nifty 50 or Sensex. Step by step, opening a mutual fund account. Now, let's walk through how to open a mutual fund account. 1. Select your mutual fund. Choose based on the 5 points we just discussed. 2. Calculate your SIP. Use a SIP calculator to figure out how much you need to invest to reach your goal. For example, to reach 1 crore in 15 years at an average return rate of 16%, you'd need to invest around 13,000 every month. 3. Ensure your KYC is complete. You'll need a PAN card that is KYC compliant. 4. Sign up. You can open an account through the mutual fund's website or at their office. Enter your details, choose your SIP amount, and set the duration. And that's it. Now you know how to pick the right mutual fund and set up your account. Your homework is to figure out how much you can invest monthly and which fund works best for your goals. Thanks for watching. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +go_in.